Mary Jackson. 1, 2, 3.
Mary Jackson.
I was contacted by the After School Alliance, which is based in Washington, D.C., who informed us that Nassau had COSI kits, which is a lunchbox kit of 5 science activities that we have here today. So we collaborated. They came up with the idea to have what we're doing today, Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? The partnerships basically just began. Mr. Williams, the principal here at Mary Jackson, welcomed us with open arms. Ms. Jackson at Phoebus gathered 55 Phoebus High School students, and we have 75 third and fifth graders here at Mary Jackson, and we are collaborating.
Rubber band about to the center of the box.
So you gotta stretch the rubber band out and you have to put it around the box. So one of you guys can hold it, one of you guys can hold it on the side right here, and then yeah.
Everyone received a box. We opened up the box. There was a set of instructions, and us as student leaders got to guide the third and fifth graders through a bunch of different little experiments, specifically the rocket and the Webb telescope. So we had stickers so they could decorate the rocket, take the box and turn it into a launcher. And I hope that I've garnered some interest in becoming a world changer for them.
Working with elementary schoolers is definitely interesting because there is an age difference. So obviously they're not gonna know all of the words I'm using or relate to all the experiences that I have. So kind of finding a way to relate to their experience helps to shift my perspective. So I think that was a very beneficial reason for why we worked with the younger age group. But yeah, it was definitely fun, and third and fifth graders, young kids, they're really funny, so it's definitely an enjoyable experience.
Today we built rockets, and we also did another experiment, and we went outside and we put the rockets on a rubber band. I pulled the rubber band all the way up to the box, and then I pulled it all the way down and it went higher. And then we shot them up into the air. And some of them went high and some of them didn't really work.
I think I really enjoyed the atmosphere. It's really optimistic working with third and fifth grade students because they're so energetic, and it's really cool to see how passionate they are about science and STEM and technology, engineering, mathematics, all of it at such a young age, because in elementary school I don't really remember that for myself. So seeing them like that now is really encouraging. It makes me think about them having a really bright future.
It's like, scratch out.
Ashley's best friend with the cake.
I really liked it when we were putting the background up there because it wouldn't stick for a few times. We did it until we noticed we put them in the wrong spots. If we keep on practicing and doing things, then it'll work out, and we can use other people's help if we needed to.
And the biggest idea here is so that the high school students are empowered to understand and know that they have something to give, they can make a difference, and they are reaching back, they're giving back. Some of them attended this elementary school, so now they are being big brothers and big sisters. They are mentoring, and they are being looked up to by the third and fifth graders here at this school. It's been a great day.